how can we integrate mechanical and electrical together and electronic more seamlessly? And so we've been doing a lot of work with this. We call this multidisciplinary 3D-aware electrical design. And so with this, we have our industry-leading generative electrical design with Capital. Capital, clearly #1 product in this space with the ability to automatically generate the electrical design. And then we've added to this integration with 3D, Designcenter NX, and I'll show that a little bit in a second. And then powerful DMU capabilities so that you can meet FAA certification like EWIS. And I'm going to show this through an example. And the example I'm going to show is I'm going to add a new camera control system to a drone, and I'm going to show how this all works. So here's our starting point, and for a lot of our customers, this is often a starting point, which is we have a PDF of our camera system. And I'm going to show how we're going to use Capital AI Library Designer, where I can actually take a PDF and automatically create that into a library part. And then I'm going to show how you can then integrate that camera control module that is there into a design and show the 3D integration. So here we see with the AI capability, I'm able to take that PDF and I'm able to automatically create a library part. This is something that takes hours and hours. And this is a very common process. There's still a lot of this industry that is running on PDF documents. Now that I have the library part in the Capital library, look how easy it is to design the electrical schematics. So I'm doing the logical portion of the electronic design here in Capital and connecting this up. Because I'm adding the camera, I'm going to have to change different components. Here I have to change a board. We can do this in Expedition. We're able to change the connector that connects to this new camera that I'm putting into my drone. And so I'm able to change that. You can see in NX, this is the 3D aware part of it. That connector immediately comes through. I think, we're clearly leading in this, the ability to do this. Now I have to rewire my plane relative to what I've done. So now I'm back in Capital and I'm updating a proposed wiring. But this is the electrical engineer, and the electrical engineer doesn't know everything that's spatial. This is where the 3D part comes in. Now I jump over into NX. The NX designer says, you know what, dear electrical designer, I've got the full mechanical system here. I'm going to lay out where everything goes relative to this new camera module that I'm putting in my plane. And this is where everything goes. So now I have a logical setup, but now I come back into Capital, and now I've got to do physical wiring. I've done logical, now I need to do physical. And this is where Capital's really winning. Press of a button, full wiring diagrams, done. Done, completely done. Now I come back in NX, create the physical harness. Seemed like a simple problem, right? I just need to add a new camera module. This is everything that we need to do. And this is what we're doing with Capital, with generative design and 3D aware and making it 3D aware. How are we doing with this? We're doing great. How many people here flew here on an Airbus? Everybody that flew here on an Airbus, the electrical systems in that Airbus are done with what I just showed with Capital. So this is a product that's leading in the market and it's gaining and gaining. And then this ability to integrate this with 3D is incredibly powerful.